Hi guys, just a short video. After I filmed the Clevedon pier, I went to another location, flew the drone straight into a tree, or should I say an oncoming tree. This is the result, yeah. Cracked it completely off the end there, completely severed, or severed, whatever you want to call it. So I tried gluing it together, no chance. I've seen some other videos on YouTube where they put all different types of glues. Some of them look really bodgy. This is as strong as you will get. It's almost like brand new. It doesn't look aesthetically brilliant, but it's like brand new. And I done it with a hot, what's called a hot weld. Basically, it's using a soldering iron and melting it together, and it's just so strong. It's not going to go nowhere. It's really not going to go nowhere. So I'm going to do a reassemble of the DJI Mini 2. I've already disassembled it ready, but I ordered a new part. I should have done, because I could really reuse this. I'll keep this for spare, and when the new part comes I'll reassemble it in video. But yeah, so hot weld using a soldering iron works perfectly. Folks, so this is the leg. Just see where the crack is there. It went all the way through. It was hanging off. The only thing that kept it on was the wires. Obviously there's the DJI Mini 2 all dismantled. That part there is where the leg sits in. And this is the glue I bought to try and fix it with. Humbrol Precision Poly Cement. There we go, turn that around. So that didn't work. So I ordered a new leg from AliExpress, but in the meantime I remembered that I'll hot weld it, which means getting a soldering iron, and it's absolutely strong as anything. It's really strong. It's much better than glue. You know, it's not going nowhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till the new arm comes through. I'll keep this one as a spare in the meantime, because it'll come in handy. It's not going to go anywhere, and really is as good as new. Apart from doesn't look as pretty, but the hot weld using a soldering iron and just melting it together, and it really does the job. Really does the job. So that's how I got around it. I'll wait till the new part comes, and then I will reassemble it, but I will film it, me reassembling the actual drone itself. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, bye.